Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary Schools, a project of Iqra Education System. My dear brothers, in the last video lecture, we discussed about application parts and its format. It is, I gave you an introduction to application writing. Today in this video lecture, I am going to show you a sample of application writing on a topic from year 2011. I hope you remember, I told you in the last lecture that we will be covering the topics of application writing from the last 10-year papers. In the series of that, this is the first year, it is 2011. And the topic of this application writing is, write an application to your headmaster requesting him to issue sports or provisional certificates. Here you are with a sample application writing. Starting from the first part, which is the name of the recipients. You remember we have 10 parts in application. I will name them again for your review. Name of recipients, address of recipients, subject, salutation, introduction, body, closing, ending, name or signature, and in the end, dates. So this is the first part, the name of the recipient. You are addressing to the headmaster, so you are writing the headmaster here. Remember, I told you that you have to avoid punctuation marks, mistakes, and the common mistakes made by the students. In that, you have to take care of commas and full stops, capitalization, and spellings. The headmaster starting with capital H, A.B.C. School, comma, Karachi, full stop, Karachi with capital K. Then you have to skip one line here before the subject and one line after the subject. Subject, colon, request to issue sports certificates. And after this line is skipping, you will start from salutation. Respected sir, comma, you will change the paragraph, you will start the introductory paragraph here. This is X dot Y dot Z dot. I am a student of class metric in this school. Then you will change the paragraph and you will start body. I wish to humbly request you to kindly issue my sports certificates. This is the main purpose of writing this application. So you will write down the main purpose first and then you will give some reasons. Here I would like to remind you, in your metric grade, when you are writing an application to your headmaster, so whatever request you are making in that application, you have to justify your request with at least 2 reasons that why you are making this request. So here I have demonstrated you a couple of reasons why you are making request to issue you the certificates. I had been an extraordinary athlete in multiple games during sports week in school. I served as a captain of cricket team for 2 years and I have also won medals in arm wrestling and spoon race. The second reason you are giving, this certificate will help me add merit and credibility in taking admission in college. So this is how you have justified with 2 reasons that why you are making a request of issuing you the sports certificates. Then you will change paragraph from here and you will start the paragraph of closing. I look forward to your kind consideration and approval of my request. I will be highly grateful to you for this act of kindness. After this paragraph of closing, you will skip one line here before starting your ending, and then from the half of the page you will start yours obediently, comma, XYZ, dated. I have given you an exemplary date here, 1st June 2020. Now I am demonstrating you how you have to write this application in your register. So I have shown you a simple application writing on a page of your register. Here you are. You will mention English and Islamic dates on the top of your page first, and you will write CW in the center of your page, like I have done on the page here. Then you will start from the first line, V headmaster, comma, A.B.C. comma, Karachi full stop. Then you will skip one line and you will start subject, colon, request to issue sports certificate. You will again skip one line and then you will start salutation. Respected sir, comma, you will change the paragraph. This is X dot Y dot Z dot. I am a student of class metric in this school. Then you will change the paragraph and start the body. I wish to humbly request you to kindly issue my sports certificates. I had been an extraordinary athlete in multiple games during sports week in school. I served as a captain of cricket team for 2 years, and I have also won medals in arm wrestling and spoon race. This certificate, from here you are giving the second reason. This certificate will help me add merit and credibility in taking admission in college. Then you will change the paragraph and start your closing. I look forward to your kind consideration and approval of my request. I will be highly grateful to you for this act of kindness. You remember I told you about the spellings of consideration, approval and grateful in the last lecture. So you have to be very much meticulous and careful about these spellings. Then you will skip one line and from the half of the page you will start yours obediently, comma, X dot Y dot Z dot. Then from the next line, dated 1st June 2020. This is an exemplary date. You will mention the date you are writing an application. I hope you people have clearly understood how you have to write an application on a topic from year 2011. We will be writing some more applications in the next lectures, and this time I have sampled you this application writing on this topic. Next time I will help you write and you will write it on your own with my support and help. See you in the next lecture. Again, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.